My name is Devin Appleton, and I am an enterprise account executive here at Tractian.
I'm Canyon. I'm a product manager here at Tractian.
At the core of what Tractian is doing is extremely simple, right? It is offering an opportunity to give that visibility to really all types of stakeholders at these operations, the opportunity to ultimately be more strategic and plan ahead for potential catastrophic failures that can cause major disruptions in their operation.
I like that challenge. I like the opportunity to really change how these industries work alongside true subject matter experts, people that have been doing whatever their trade is for decades.
If you're able to prove the differentiators that we are able to prove, in the sales cycle with a new organization that we're going to work with, it's really the beginning of planting the seed, showing that we're able to drive this kind of value and oftentimes be able to show that the initial investment already paid for itself within months. This is where you're looking at opportunities, talking to the corporate teams about corporate expansions, and that responsibility falling on you. But of course, compensation is also a factor of that, right?
Just very fun. Like it's great to build things at such, it can be a slog to get through feature delivery. But then you finally ship it and customers are chatting about it and are happy about it, and that's amazing. We just had one of our features go live a few days ago, and I ran over to the designer I worked with and it was like, look at this, we're getting, really exciting positive feedback from everyone, and it just feels great.
So the culture in Tractian is made up of folks from all sorts of different backgrounds, but really at the end of the day, there really are no jerks at the company. I can reach out to any of my colleagues, can get help if I need to. I always, do my best to try and reach out to those that are joining as well, make myself available to them. And that's just something that you typically see across the organization.
I like being in rooms where I'm not the smartest person there, and I'm in those kinds of rooms all day. And I'm learning from people, I'm improving personally. I could reach out to them right now with anything, and they would stop what they're doing, give me an hour of their time, explain the simplest thing to me. Everyone is collaborative, everyone is very smart, and that's a fun environment to build in.
It's a great question. Why now, right? We ask that to ourselves as sellers when we're trying to sell to and drive urgency, right, for opportunities that make sense for the client and for us, right? For someone that's looking to decide whether they're going to go here or stay at their current company or look at a few other options out there.
If you are employee number 10 in that, where are you in 2 or 3 years, right?
You can be rest assured that the opportunity is there, the team recognition and the positive culture is there, and
at a pace that I think you'd be hard pressed to find in any other corporate environment.
All those boxes are checked here at Tractian.